Hello, welcome back. Today's video, I am so excited because I am going to be playing with the P.Louise budget box for the month of March. So if you didn't know, the March P.Louise budget box is actually a tin egg, which is ridiculous. This came very well packaged, I will say. Even though it did come very well packaged, there are a few minor dents on it. No big deal. It's not a total vibe killer. I still want to keep this egg. I think it's very cute. But let's get into everything that's inside of the egg because it's what's on the inside that counts. Oh. So inside, all of the products are literally in here with like little cute heart packing. I don't know if these like dissolve in water. I will test it out and let you know. But I want to get into everything that's inside of this because this is actually the first P.Louise budget box that I'm actually really excited about for like I think this year. So let's start with the P.Louise Stay Shining Shimmer Formula. This is another lip oil. They're drowning me in lip oil, but it's fine. I really like this one in particular. Like, the other ones are good, but I really like that this one smells like chocolate. This one smells like white chocolate. Like, and I will say the items that are themed to chocolate in this box, some of them do smell like chocolate, but some of them are questionable. Like some of them, like, is this really supposed to smell like chocolate? Because it doesn't. But this actually does smell like chocolate, and I'm wearing this right now. It is so pretty. I really like it. I really do like the P.Louise lip oil formula. It's a little thicker, so it stays on pretty nicely. But I really did like the color of this as well. It's like a nudie color. Feel like it looked really nice with what I applied it with. I'm really happy that it does have a different scent than the watermelon because I feel like the watermelon is kind of sickly sweet. I feel like I can't wear that for long periods of time because I get kind of sick of it. This one's more of like a true kind of sweet gourmand. It's more like, I feel like richer than like super sweet. I feel like it's more wearable is all. Like it reminds me like a vanilla lip gloss, which is like the normal scent to put in lip glosses, right? But this one is just very unique to me. I really like this one. It's a lip oil, but it feels more like a gloss lip oil hybrid, which I enjoy, and the color is just really nice. So I'm excited about this one. I still have the other 6, but I'm excited to continue wearing this one because I enjoy the scent of it better. The next item is the Ready Set Shine Golden Ticket Setting Spray. This is basically a shimmer setting spray. I really like shimmer setting sprays. I feel like they just give your skin like this beautiful glow. And if you're not big into makeup but you like a dewy glow, setting sprays like this that have like super pretty shimmers in it will definitely give you a very beautiful dewy finish. I did use this paired with something else because I did go to brunch this morning, so I needed something that had more power to it. I did pair it with the e.l.f. Power Grip Setting Spray just so I can get a little more hold, but I did use this to kind of melt my powders into my skin, and I really enjoyed it for that, and I really am excited to wear this in the summertime, springy summertime. I'm currently wearing like a springy dress, and I'm just feeling the spring vibes, you know? We don't really have weather change here. It's just hot, so we just like inwardly feel the seasons change. This does have fragrance in it, so if that's something you're not into in a setting spray, I do recommend just getting something like the e.l.f. Power Grip Setting Spray because that one does not have fragrance in it. Moving on, the next item is the Smooth It Over and Airbrush It Out Original Smoothing Primer. I was scared about this, I'm not gonna lie, because it felt very silicone-y on the skin and I was just like, oh boy, this is not gonna work out. But I actually, even though I did use a lot of this, it looked incredible and it smoothed out my skin, and when I put my like CoverGirl skin essence on top, it just meshed so well with that product and it made my skin look incredible. So I'm really feeling this. And I'm really excited to use this again. I originally don't like the silicone-y feel, but it is a water-based primer, even though it does feel kind of silicone-y, so I really appreciate that it will work with a lot of foundations that I have. The next item is the White Chocolate Delight All Over Body Glow. You guys, they keep throwing these in here and I'm kind of sick of it, but this is probably my favorite one out of all of the ones that I've received. This, first of all, smells so good. Out of all of the white chocolate things in here, I feel like this and the lip oil are the best. So I like that this is small. I feel like I can actually use it up, but I'm kind of sad that it's small because this is the best body glow product that I've received from a P.Louise box. Like the shimmer in this one is so fine and like it's more like a subtle glow. It's not like just glitter all over you and you're like at brunch with like glitter raining on you. I wore this to brunch today because I wanted to test it out for this video. I'm currently wearing like a dress. I know you can't see it, but I'm wearing a dress and like I wore a dress and I wore this like where you can see skin just so it can look more hydrated, better, you know, because I'm super dry. So this products like this for me are really nice because I feel like I can glow without feeling dry, even though I am dry. But I really like that this one smelled like white chocolate, because white chocolate, I can't eat white chocolate right now. I can't have chocolate period right now. So having something that smells good is really nice. And I paired it actually with the Vanilla Vice. I've spoken about this multiple times in multiple videos now, but these paired together actually smell so good together. I really enjoyed this. I'm kind of sad that it's a small little mini, but I feel like you don't need that much of it to work. So that's good. The next item is the Drive Me Balmy Make Mine Milky lip balm set, and this has 2 lip balms in it. It has a clicky one and an actual like balmy one. I like this. I didn't love this because the scent of it is kind of off for me. Like the rest of the white chocolate scented items smell very good. This one is just like meh. Like this one just smells kind of plasticky. And this one's more minty. It's not like mint chocolate and mint aren't like my favorite things. So like I don't love the scent of these, but I do like this formula. I have the blueberry version of this. I think this is supposed to be white chocolate. It says make mine milky, so that's what I'm assuming in my head. It's like what makes the most sense to me, but I just didn't love it. I will definitely like get some use out of it, but the scent is definitely what throws me off about this, and I would probably prefer that it didn't have any scent at all. But it's cute. I love the packaging that it comes in and everything else, and it did hydrate my lips very well. So if that's all you care about and you don't really care about the scent, these are really good. And the last item in here is the Dream a Little Dream Desire to Inspire face palette. I'm kind of mad because I've been wanting like an eyeshadow palette. That's what I've been like waiting for, and it feels like they're gonna make me wait for it. But this is like a very cute little face palette. You have a bronzer, 2 highlighters, and a blush. It's kind of hard to show because the packaging is kind of reflective. This is nice. I really enjoyed the formula. I didn't find it to be hard to work with at all. I used this as a blush topper, and I used this as the highlighter today. I think my cheeks look pretty glowy, pretty nice. I didn't overdo it because I didn't want to, but I really did enjoy this and I thought it was very, very cute. I just hope that there's different shades. It's just I doubt that there are. Hi guys, it's editing me here, audio only. I came here to tell you more about this budget box. Apparently this was sent at random, which to me makes this even worse. I think P.Louise should include your skin tone as part of like a sign up thing to like help with this issue, because they're putting a lot of face palettes in these boxes now and I feel like they just don't match everyone, and I feel like you have to get lucky and that's not how you should feel. So just wanted to mention my thoughts on that. But I really do hope that there are, because this does not fit everyone, and if someone with deeper skin got this in their box, they literally cannot use the bronzer at all. So I'm just like, what are they supposed to do with that? Like, what do you expect them to do? It makes me kind of upset because like you should be giving something that's more versatile, like an eyeshadow palette, because this doesn't fit doesn't fit everyone. You can only suit so many people. So that's why I'm kind of upset. But I personally enjoy the formula, and if your skin tone is similar to mine, lighter or maybe a little darker, I feel like you can still get away with using this. It's just, for me, I would personally enjoy an eyeshadow palette more for people with deeper skin tones because they can't use the same colors that I use. And P.Louise tends to be very like inclusive when it comes to range, so I just expect that when going into these boxes as well, and it makes me kind of sad when they're not. But everything came very well packaged, and I really loved the surprise of opening an egg instead of like a budget box. I thought it was super fun, and it definitely made me want to keep my subscription a little bit. I really enjoyed the white chocolate egg. I don't know if they have different eggs going around or if this is just the one you get, but I really loved it. I think it's so cute, and when I have like an actual background, maybe I can place my egg for Easter as like a decoration, because this is like the little Easter basket that I don't get anymore, you know, because I'm an adult, but like egg form. The white chocolate is 3D as well, like very well done. Very well done. Let me know what you guys thought of this month's P.Louise budget box. I would love to hear your thoughts on it. I'm still kind of like on the fence, so I would love to hear your thoughts. Sway me in the comments. What do you think I should do? I really like this month. I saw the spoilers for next month. I'm excited, but I'm not excited. Thank you guys so much for watching and for hanging out with me. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Because it's, so I did pair it with the Power Grip Primer. I mean, or at least I don't think so. This does not have any fragrance. So it's kind of happy. I'm excited, but I'm not excited. My hair is doing a thing.